I've already made a video about improving your audio using Audition, but some people like to use open source free software. So here's an alternative that you can use. It's called Audacity. I'm going to link to it, currently version 3.6.2. When you've got it installed, it looks like this. And you can import your audio files, just drag and drop them here. This is a test audio I've created for this tutorial. Let me play it. This is our test file for Audacity, a free audio tool that you can use to create YouTube videos. The audio is obviously not that good, and you can hear a couple of background noises that we don't want to have. To work with it, we'll press Ctrl A to select it all, and then we go to Effect. First thing that I would recommend that you use is the normalizer. Just go to Preset Settings, click on Defaults, and then keep the defaults and apply it. Now you can see all of this background noise here. Select a short portion with a left click drag, then go to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and find the noise reduction. We want to get the noise profile of this area, so left click on that. Then press Ctrl A to select it all. Again, use the noise reduction, but this time just click on OK. But you don't want to have 16, around 10 should be fine for the noise reduction. If you go too high, it might muffle all of the stuff that you want to keep a little bit. So be careful with that and don't go too high. But this looks way better now. Again, Ctrl A, then go to Effects, Noise Removal and Repair, and this time click Removal. We want to use the defaults yet again. Depends a little bit on your microphone and your natural speech pattern. You may want to check that out a little bit. I like to go down slightly here for the threshold and up a little bit for the max spike, but not too much. Then apply it. The defaults should definitely give you good results, so only play around with that when you're a little bit more advanced. Now we want to go to EQ and filters, and we'll use the filter curve. We use it 3 times. We give it a bass boost. Again, make sure to press Ctrl A before you do that to have your entire audio selected. Second time we want to add a treble boost. And you can also try out another filter. But before we do, you can see we've got more background noise here. So it makes sense to use the noise reduction again. We'll set this as the noise profile. Then press Ctrl A to select it all. And apply the noise reduction to everything. This should filter out the background noise yet again. So once more, everything is selected. We'll go to our EQ, filter curve, and you can try out if you like that or not. It's up to you. The low roll-off for speech. Once that is done, there's not much to do here anymore, but we want to add what is called a compressor. You'll find it under Volume and Compression. Again, I'll simply use the defaults here. When you're more advanced, you can check out these presets, but usually the defaults, they work pretty well. And then finally, add a limiter. For my taste, the best one for audio is the Modern. I'll apply it. We'll play it again. This is our test file for Audacity, a free audio tool that you can use to create YouTube videos. And this sounds now way better. Finally, we obviously want to export our audio. You can do that under File, Export Audio. Let me call that Test Tutorial. Browse your folders. I've got an Audacity folder somewhere. Let me check. Got it right here. I save it and I make sure that I use MP3 as a format. And for the rest, you can keep the defaults. When you now click on Export, you should see your audio file now in your folder. As I've said, it's a free tool, so check it out. If you don't have the Adobe Cloud, you will find a link to it in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.